Greetings to all of you traders out there, wherever you are in the world. This AZZAM Karmaya from AT channel, specialized in analyzing and coding trading strategies to help traders to improve their work. Today I will talk about a new scalping strategy. We will explain the rules, test it and finally code it, to see if this strategy is actually working, so let's start. This strategy includes 3 free Tradingview indicators. Now let's go ahead and add them to our chart. The first one is 200 EMA. The second one is SSL hybrid. We need to change some settings. And the third one is QQE mod. We need to change some settings. Now our strategy is ready, let's go into trading rules. For a long signal to be valid, SSL must be above the 200 EMA. Blue SSL hybrid. Green arrow. And QQE mod must be green. Now we can take a long position. Our stop loss must be under the recent lower low. And the risk to reward ratio will be 2. Here all conditions fulfilled. We can take a long position. And the same here. It was a lost trade, as I told you there's no strategy that works 100%. Also here. Here all conditions fulfilled. And now let's move on to short condition. For a short signal to be valid, SSL must be below the 200 EMA. Red SSL hybrid. Red arrow. And QQE mod must be red. Now we can take a short position. Our stop loss must be above the recent higher high. And the risk to reward ratio will be 2. Here all conditions fulfilled. Now we can take a short position. And the same here. It was a lost trade, as I told you before there's no strategy that works 100%. Now it's time to code it to see if it's actually working and what the win rate is. And we're finally done. I will put a link to this code down below in description and it's completely free. Now, let's see the result. As we can see the win rate is 38%. You can use it but carefully. If you would like to check and try this strategy by yourself, then I provided the link in the description down below. So you can use it but carefully. And this was all. I hope it was helpful for you. If you like the content, hit the subscribe button. Good luck and stay tuned for another video.